Well, today, first thing, we're going to glue some door seals on. I bought these at Summit Racing. I forgot to order some from LMC Truck or something. They had them. Price was relatively the same. And next day I had them. I used 3M weather adhesive. Tomorrow I'd like to mount the doors so I can mount the fenders and stuff. So before I bolt the bed down and jack it up, I'm going to glue these on. I suppose you could glue them on before or after you put the doors on. It's always a pain for me to reach in them little cracks. Maybe if I was a little skinny fella, it'd be easier, but getting these fat hands around all the hinges and everything just doesn't work out so well for me. This works out a lot easier for me. Oh, they're labeled right there, right hand. So that one is for this door. Let's make sure the other one says left hand. Left hand. I do know the little push pinny things go on the bottom. I'm sure they have some kind of technical name. And the rest of it will get glued around like so somehow. That'll go in there, 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 there. Well, it's got the same number as push pins, it's the same number in the bottom of the truck. This will come around to here. We'll have to get sucked down a little. I think it'll be okay though. Well, I'm going to get to gluing. When I get it all glued on, we'll show you the finished product. Well, they're all glued on. I'm sure this is not the correct way to do these. It works best for me. I've never came up with a good way to do that glue that's not very sloppy. So it's easier for me to do it this way. Then I can get in there and clean it up, touch up any spots that are messed up. I use quick release tape, and if you sanded good, the paint stays. If you didn't, that tape will let you know. But by tomorrow, it should be pretty dry, and I can clean up the edges. Tomorrow, we'll mount the doors. Well, I'll touch back in a little while. See.